shopping or car shopping. So I'm definitely looking for a vehicle for my wife, because I know what you guys are saying. If you would have got a Ford, you wouldn't have that problem. Well, I have had Fords too, but you guys know how it is. I mean, we had this car brand new. I think it had 30 miles on it. And of course, like what, 4 or 5 years ago, we finished paying it off. And you guys know how that is. Hey, as soon as you finish paying something off, you start having issues and problems. So it is what it is. And basically, I just like to, keep my wife in basically a new vehicle. God forbid if she break down in a way. And I explained that before. But of course, I'm always looking for a good deal myself. I don't want to take the shine away from her. But I'm either looking for a shop truck. I mean, I got all of these vehicles that I mess around with. That sometimes I have to go pick up a vehicle. Sometimes I want to have to go pick up parts, and I throw some. And right now I got a little Hyundai, and I've had that Hyundai forever. I got it from my father-in-law, and unfortunately that car I don't want to get rid of it because it's got some sentimental value to it. But at the same time, I'm gonna be honest, guys. This Hyundai, I know you guys are laughing, but I get better gas mileage out of this Hyundai than I do any of my other vehicles. Any of the vehicles I ever had. So I'm not getting rid of the Hyundai, and plus I use that Hyundai basically as a truck, and I hate that. I really do. I hate that. But the Hyundai is old, but I have no issues or problems with my sedan. So, and like all the trucks that I work on and that I build, my wife was like, well, you already got several trucks, why you need another one? Well, the trucks that I have, they're not made for hauling stuff in. I mean, she don't understand that. Price is right, I will get me one, because I have been looking for one, and I'm patient, because I've been looking for a couple of years for a new truck, or either I say a used truck. So, just like I tell my wife, instead of getting a used vehicle, and if you can, we can get in our price range, and we might as well just get a new vehicle. I mean, have all the bells and whistles, and also have the warranty. So, I'll turn you guys back on once I get into the parking lot, and I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. So we are heading up here to Bill Gatton, right up in the corner, and hey, trust me guys, hopefully it won't be like it was on Father's Day when I go to the dealership and there's no cars in the parking lot. I'm like 100% sure that there's cars in this parking lot, guys. I pass this I pass this parking lot every day. So let's hope there's cars in the parking lot today. That's the new side back over there. So we'll see, we'll find out. Alright guys, so I'm back in the vehicle, and I just got through walking around the parking lot here in the Bill Gatton, and they actually did have a couple of nice trucks and stuff. They only had one that I got my buddy had told me about one of these vehicles, the truck and stuff, that they had a good sale going on, so I went online, and I did see that same truck that they was, I guess, advertising for. Let me see here, and I don't know, it is a good deal or whatever, but I think I'm just gonna have to wait. But hopefully I'll surprise my wife with one, and I'll let you guys go with me for the ride on that one. And hopefully this weekend we may be revealing a new vehicle at another dealership later on this evening. I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so we just got out here at Buick GMC Crabtree here in Bristol. We're just looking around right now. I'm not sure what she really wants something. Like I said, she got a 2012 Equinox, and I did go look at the Gladiators at the Dodge dealership, but that's a little bit more than what I want to pay for a vehicle, because unfortunately she ain't gonna be hauling anything, and I want my vehicle to be able to haul something, and that's not what she wants. I thought maybe she would want a Jeep, but she just wants a little compact SUV. I like this. This is pretty room, and it's hey, that's a Denali. Man, they look different. Denali, they got like 53. Man, I tell you what, the Denalis are so much smaller now. Interior in that's tight. Got that chocolate. Oh, that's peanut. Got that peanut butter interior. That's cool. I like that. That big 2019. I love that out here. Look at that. Duramax. This baby's 61. That's cool. Oh, this one is a 19? Yeah. Sure enough. I saw that big pipe. I said that must be a diesel. Yep. It is a nice truck. That's a 2019. Hey, they need to give me a discount on that. I'll walk out the door with it. Sure is. So I didn't realize that was a 19. Yeah, it is. I like that color on it too. It's basically the same truck, I guess. Yeah. So what year is yours? A 2020? If I still had my old camper, boy. Hey, that's a house payment. Not a house payment, but hey, you can buy a small house with that. 80 G's. The AT4. This one is on the showroom floor here. GMC. We even got it for the trunk in the seat. Bose stereo system. I like that two-tone interior. Got the AT4 on the headrest. She's clean. Got the LCD screen there. Got the Bose radios in the side pocket. See, I like that there, how it's two-seated. Oh man, yeah, I like that in the back here. So this thing got third row sitting. It doesn't look that bad. Of course, that's my color, black. I'm up nice, man. Is that the color you're talking about? Yeah. You like that color? What color is this called? But is that the same vehicle you're looking at out there? Is that the same vehicle you're looking at out there? Back here, but it's in the trunk. You can't see it when it's closed, can you? So why did this got a camera in the trunk? Yeah, right here. Are you finished? You coming back, or we're gonna come back, or what? I'm gonna try to convince her to ride to Abbott and to the Jeep dealership up there. If we ain't doing nothing else, we might as well roll up there. So I'm gonna cut you guys back on after I talk to her, and maybe we can ride up to Abbott, and that's only like 15 minutes up the road here. So now I'll cut you guys back on once we get there. All right, guys, so we're up here at the Blue Ridge Chrysler and Dodge Ram dealership. Hey, that's not bad. That's in her price range, you know, around $30,000 and stuff like that. Yeah, they got a lot of nice stuff on here. Uh-oh, she's back to looking at the Jeeps. That's the Gladiator there. Isn't that the Gladiator? She ain't gonna like the prices on that though. This is what she wants, something like this, like the Equinox. She's on a mission. Got a backup camera in there. Got a little backup camera. Got your plugs, got your 2-inch hitch. Like she raised up, got the running boards. Got that hard top. How much are those? 43, that's good. That's in our price range right there. You gotta have a key fob to open them up. Grand Cherokee. We hit a Jeep Cherokee. I like this one. What is this? This is a black, hard to keep clean though, but I like it. Those are used though. All right, what you guys think? What you think she should go with so far? A lot of nice ones out here. Got the Rams over there. You guys need to tell me. Write down the comments down there below. Which ones do you think she should go with? All right, crew. Hey, we're back. I think my wife actually found 2 vehicles that she's really interested in. I don't know if she's gonna have them, you know, run the numbers and stuff. And the price is really good where they at. Even we're still here at the Jeep dealership and stuff. But even if the numbers, you know, if they don't go down on the price, whatever, and we haven't even told them that we got a trade in. So where it stands, we're pretty good with the numbers as is. But I want you guys to write down comments below. What do you think she should get, or what do you think? Matter of fact, which one do you think she'll pick out? Okay, so today is just like I said, the second day. For me, it's the third day, but for her, we've only been looking at them for 2 days with her. So I want you guys to think about which one she would pick, and hopefully before the weekend we will have a vehicle. So I'm gonna actually make this video 2 videos, not 2 videos, but I'm actually gonna cut it off here because I don't think I'm gonna do any more recording right now. So I'm going to come back whenever we're actually about to get a vehicle and see what you guys pick. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and I'll turn you guys back on probably tomorrow, unless we go to another dealership today, and then I'll turn you guys back on. So hey, it's been pretty interesting, man. This is the first time we've actually looked for a car in a while. Last car we looked for was hers. We brought her car brand new. Like I said, it's a 2012 Equinox. So I'm gonna try to find her, see where she's at. And they made her drag. I hurried up to sit down and do the numbers. So, but I like this place. No hassle. You know, the lady came by and gave me her business card and just let us walk around. I told her I was recording. She said, "Oh, that's fine." So that's cool. Anyway, I'm gonna turn you guys back on, and if I find anything, I'll let you guys know.